Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to a beautiful day here on the beach. I can't believe it. It is exactly how I love it the most, the water. I will show you. We'll go a little bit closer there, but it looks perfectly today. Blue sky, surfboards. I don't think surfing is that good at the moment because the waves are very low, but everything looks very nice right now. And this is now, in my opinion, the best time to be here. Around April, the raining chances are super low and the sun is perfect. The smog disappears slowly. And if you ever wondered where the bushes from the halftime show of Bad Bunny went, they ended up here. So this is probably the roof of this new beach club. Awesome. Maybe it's a beach bar, beach cafe, beach club, I don't know. It will be great. And it will be done very soon, as you can see. On my channel, actually, I showed you the day 1, day 2. I filmed it the whole time when they completely demolished the old building and did everything. You can just go back a few weeks and see how fast they worked, actually. And it's gonna be big. It's gonna be big. It's fantastic, guys. Check this out. So it's gonna be here all the way out. So it's gonna be a little bit probably like Maya. Also, they have like a ground construct and then goes into the sand. And the water is amazing. Let's go closer to the water. There's a little bit of a hump here. This is still from the bad weather days, but it's actually, we are completely recovered. A few months ago, the beach part was so narrow. Now it's like all back, and the ocean looks perfect. The sand is nice and white. It's perfect. Only lunatics are out now because it's a very hot noontime sun. Not the best to be in the sun, but it's also very nice to have a combination of the refreshing water here. It's a little bit rougher here than usual. Usually it's a little bit more flat. This has changed a little bit. But other than that, so you can go deeper in here, but actually you're not allowed to go here. You have to go over there where the yellow flag is. But there it's very calm. Very calm, guys. Lots of people are out here. So much different than it was before. During this time of the day, usually it was always empty. But now it's like, because I think lots of people who want to tan, usually Asian tourists that don't come here to tan, they're usually in the shade. So that has changed. Other than that, there's still so much space here. Check this out. So much space, but you should definitely be around shade here. The beach beds are like 40,000 dong. So also very affordable. You can have a beer here for $1.50 or something, $1.20. I think some even are 30,000 dong, I'm not sure. I don't drink beer. But the prices here on the beach, definitely very affordable here. I think it's very important for people who are doing vacation to have beer at the beach. Oh. That looks phenomenal. My favorite time of the year walking on the beach. I think this is also the most important thing here, these beach walks. That's why I also have so many of them. And I think since I see the most positive reviews about, positive feedback about my beach walks, I think this will always be number one here on this channel. Because this is what you actually come here for, the beach. Else, there are many other very nice destinations in Vietnam you should definitely check out if you don't care about beaches. There's still so many places I actually want to check out, like My Khe, with the desert and everything like that. Still want to go there. Haven't been to Quy Nhon. So many places. At some point when I like to travel again, I will do it. At the moment, I'm very travel tired. If I could, I would not go anywhere. Just stay. But it usually changes after 2-3 months. But then I usually just travel somewhere away from the country. And also, I don't want to go to Thailand at the moment. I'm just also very bored of Thailand. It's also one thing, I don't know. So weird, I never thought that in my life that I would be bored about Thailand. But at the moment I am. But maybe I just have to go there for vacation and not make a lot of videos. But right now, I think there's probably not a better place to be in the world. Because the temperature is not too hot, but it is super hot in the sun. The ocean looks phenomenal. It is very lively. If you're a young guy, young girl, I think there are many, many young people right now here. It changed a lot. So there's a huge community right now. When I came here the first time, there was no one. I mean, I basically knew the 50 people who lived here. There were like literally no one here. It was crazy. It was very small. You pretty much knew everyone. There's still lots of people of them there, but now I feel like it's a very lively, young place. Lively young place, guys. But also, of course, as you know, my viewers are all a little bit older. I don't know. It's getting all mixed up. At the moment, I see my hotel channel is all mixed up. It's like every age. But it was before, it was only over 50 maybe, you know? But now, I feel like it's gonna shift and lots of more people, hi! Lots of more people, young people and families like you just saw, I think they were Germans, coming. I think it is also a very nice place for families. Oh, I'm in the shot, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm in the shot. How you doing, man? What are you doing?
Just a video walking in front of the camera with all the flags.
Okay. Yeah, it's beautiful here, man.
Action 6.
Action 6, yes.
I have a 5, man.
Yeah, yeah. I have a 5 too, yeah. Have a good day, man.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Content creation is big here at the moment. This is also very weird now. It went like, it's like a honk. Before, there was a schaukel. What is the English word again? I forgot the name. But it was way wider and it was more flat. Hello! I don't know who they are. All right, guys. I guess I also have Russian viewers here. Very nice couple. And yeah, they love it here. They love it here. They also watch this channel, actually. I think this beach is just the #1 selling spot. Look at this, there are some wild Germans there. I love how our German members also meet all up and become friends. I like it. I think this is the best thing about my membership. I think the connection. Great. I love it. Because I'm very busy. I always have to do something. You know, I'm walking around all the time. And I should even be more busy with doing something else. But I love when my members meet each other. So I bring them together. Sometimes I see some similarities, actually often. And this is what I like to do the most. Bring people together. And you can always say, Where do you know each other? Semi, social semi. That's my job. Bring people together. It's very weird. Maya Beach, this area is a little bit still crooked, but Paradise Beach is completely recovered. Completely recovered. It's very nice and wide and perfectly fine, even though it was completely broken. As you know, I filmed it as well. I can show you. I show you. It's right where this thing ends. So this broke down completely. Then had to redo this thing here. This is how close the water came. So the water in the stormy season was so bad, it flushed, this whole sand was gone, and it destroyed the beginning of the beach club. Can you imagine? All the way here, from there, everything was water, and it destroyed the beach club at the start of the beach club. And they have to redid this whole thing new. Crazy. But this is also the reality here. The stormy season is not the best. This year it wasn't that bad. The rain was not long. Maybe because I've also been gone for a long time, but I don't know. It can always be changing. I think lots of people will be very surprised. For example, they came here in January and see how beautiful it was. It was one of the best Januaries ever here. But they come next year and it's going to be rain non-stop and flooding and whatever. And then they're going to have a bad awakening. Cute doggo. So be aware, only because it is good this year doesn't mean it is good next year. And if you are only coming for beach vacation, always choose April. And for now, I wouldn't do last minute bookings anymore. Book your hotel early on. Try to book a hotel, because sometimes I see this new scam going on. For example, you can book actually on Booking and Agoda and other platforms, or Airbnb, you can book apartments like a hotel here in Muang Thang, behind the hotel, at the old looking building there. You can book them. They're all individual people, right? And depends on how they clean it, how clean they make the apartment, this is how nice it will be. So it's not standardized or anything. And if people, for example, get a better offer, they just cancel you. Or they say they tried to charge your credit card and the credit card did not work. And every time you put in the credit card, it will not work because they don't want it to work. Oh, look at this. Police is going out here. Maybe they're taking care of the pavement. Maybe it's a pavement instructor, pavement officers. Oh, wow. Nice. I actually saw a lot of Facebook posts about officers going around the pavements and banning all the nonsense what I hate so much, the flower pots. Wow, they're going on it. So it is for the whole country, but every single city, and then in the city, every neighborhood has to take care of these things. So I guess they're filming right now, also the beach. The government should just they don't have to come in here and film, they just can see my videos. I will send them a link. And if you're Vietnamese government and watching, please hit the like button. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm walking for you guys. But it already, I mean, here on the beach, it's not that bad. It was never bad. They always take care. If people illegally park their motorbikes here, they always tow it at some point. Or there are some guards that whistle so long until someone comes and gets it away. The only thing is when you see a truck here with motorbikes on the back, then you know they will tow everything. And they will tow it to the police station. And at the police station you have to pay 500,000 dong to get it back, usually. Looks nice here. I can't wait to see the pavements clean. I think this is also a good neighborhood here to be in at the beach. But to be honest, if you want to have it a little bit more empty, go a little bit further. What are the prices here? Wow, 25,000 dong for a beer. That's very interesting. They say $2, even though it's not. Hello.
Hello.
I'm just looking. Thank you so much. If you pay with dollar, you pay $2. If you pay with Vietnamese dong, you pay $1. I don't know if it ever was that kind of exchange. Because now one US dollar is 26.7 thousand dong, Vietnamese dong.
En son bir bağıran duydum.
Oh, Turkish streamer. Cool. So this beach also, this beach part, usually been a little bit wider. But I would say it's 2/3 at the moment. And there was also a very nice Da Nang beach sign. I don't know why they removed it. Maybe to save it, because the water came very close here too. But now it's also very nice. The water looks very beautiful. Very beautiful. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know you're watching on TV, so go one up, hit the like button. Tell me if you like these videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And check out this one. Ooh, nice.